it's like 2 or 3 miles out.
So, oh wait, I haven't even looked at reflectivity. It looks weird.
Yeah. Low, there's like a lot of low returns.
Yeah.
Definitely looks like a more solid base kind of back behind there.
Behind it, yeah. Wow, bro.
Yeah, this whole thing.
Wow.
That is definitely a new thing. That's rotating really fast too. I'm taking from Eureka, but it's fucking. You said it's on the ground?
Potentially, it may have lifted, but this is the mezzo right here.
I bet the law enforcement guy is stopping people because he saw it. There's power lines down here. That's why he's got this blocked off.
Yeah, just keep going.
Okay. Power lines down.
Yep. Still looks like a pretty stout mesocyclone. Do you see this like big bowl right here?
Is that where it will drop?
I can see that phone actually. Not close.
ILX, right?
Yes.
You mean right there?
Oh my God, are you seeing that?
Keep up with it, guys.
No, you're doing good. Turn right. Right at the light.
Looks to me if you see that warning goes way
Power flash.
Oh, something just hit me in the face. I think it is that.
I mean, there were power flashes over there.
Yeah, it's gusting out a bit here. They just issued when they trimmed it or extended it.
Oh,
Whoa.
that was
That's
a
tornado.
big power flash.
Is it in there?
I mean, yeah.
That's actually might be where it is. Yeah.
that? Hold on. Yeah, that's a tornado. That's a tornado.
Yeah.
That is the tornado. You
You can see it. You can see it.
Yeah.
That, you see the cone?
Yep.
Or the, oh yeah.
I see the whole lowering.
Yep.
I mean, do we want to go east and then cross the Danvers path?
Yeah.
We can stay.
I mean, we will inevitably. Whoa!
What?
That's another tornado.
Really?
Look.
Is there a funnel? Yeah, it was snowed.
Either that or some serious straight line
I don't
winds.
think it's straight line.
Okay, okay.
There's this line behind us. That's
Okay, okay. Holy
We're
shit.
gonna get we're about to get clocked by that
You
wind.
want to get out
Yes.
of here?
Yeah, let's go. Do you want me to find like a good turnoff or something? I mean, this is insane. All right.
Where's the stop one?
Right here. Is this 31?
No.
No, it's
No.
not.
Okay. This is eerie. Holy shit.
I'm gonna go real slow.
Yeah.
Roll your windows up in case power lines are down. Oh yeah, we don't want any of that to get stuck in the windows. Yeah, look, that's 100% tornado damage.
Oh, look in the road.
Yeah,
Oh wow.
way down in the road too. Watch for power lines on the right side too, because you can see a pole right here.
Oh yeah.
Are you okay? What? Okay, so you're not hurt? Alright, you have a good night, be safe. I am just looking for wires.
There's some sheet metal.
There's somebody on my right, I'm gonna get in the right lane.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh God.
Yeah, more of those high tension lines down. Do you want to turn right here and get onto 65 or keep going straight?
I don't even want to risk 65.
I mean, we don't have to get on. We can go under the overpass. Yeah.
So what do I do?
Turn right at this intersection.
Okay. That light got him. I'm turning right.
Good.
Holy shit! Look at that.
Yeah, that dude, the old guy, said that there were flipped over cars. I can see warehouse roof.
On 60.
Is it went past?
That is
Or it might-
sheetrock.
That's probably just that's dropped stuff from
Pieces.
the houses in the neighborhood.
Oh, here's more of it up here.
The warehouses.
Oh, true. Yeah, sheetrock.
They got lofted all the way out here.
What is that?
I'm getting video of those.
Yeah, this is sheetrock and shit.
Oh no, it's gone.
I don't want to drive on that.
I agree. Who knows what's in there? It's all up in these people's yards, too.
Oh,
Look,
it's
it's all in
gone
that
into
fence
the
there.
fence. I would say the tornado could have
Definitely came
through this area.
Yeah.
Kind of, yeah. But probably very weak.
Oh, yeah, I think I agree.
It's getting sucked into.
I'm gonna guess at this point it was weak because there's no power lines down.
Yeah. So it was just throwing light debris around it.
That's probably from all them warehouses.
Right.
Warehouses, the houses in the neighborhood, that kind of thing.
those big tubs, were they already there?
Yeah, I think so.
Fort Thomas was killed by a tree that was 8 feet tall. God knows what the tree got.
You're right.
Yeah, there's...
Oh, it definitely came through here.
Oh, great.
Oh, it.
That is tornado damage.
Yeah, I do not. Power lines are down that way, so you should be okay.
It did come through
Whoa.
here. Okay.
There's a
Sheet
pumpkin.
metal. You see all that sheet metal on our right?
Oh yeah. Yep. It most certainly came through here.
You're videoing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shit.
That back there got destroyed.
That house looks like it got mostly
There's something
spared.
behind it that did not, though.
No, yeah. I see trees down in there. And looks like maybe more debris out in the field there.
There's still shit up here.
Tree line runs there.
This is about where it would have come through.
This is, yeah, probably just carried by.
Look at that silo over there.
Is it collapsed?
Looks like partially, yeah.
It might just be old.
Or the light's hitting it in a weird angle.
There is debris on
Yeah, there's like some small stuff.
Probably lifted then in that field to our
Well,
No.
behind us.
oh, I don't know. Don't hold your breath.
No, it came through
it
here.
definitely came through here.
Unless that was cut up before.
No.
No.
Yeah, true.
You can smell it.
Oh, it's like a fresh tree.
Yeah. And you can see stuff up against the fence here.